Now, I know you've been active in working for the homeless. What have you done in the past in terms of the experience you had in the past and actually the new facility?
Well, I worked in New York City for 20 years. My experience has been in housing with persons with serious mental illness and substance abuse, people who are also chronically homeless. So in terms of the population, people that I've worked with is very similar. It is such a joy for me to be working here in this facility because I'm a county resident. So it's always been very close to my heart, not only to do the work that I feel very passionate about, but also to be doing it here in the county that I live.
You know, when I was at the center just a week or two ago, I saw private industries or nonprofit organizations or philanthropic organizations making donations to the center. And I know that there's a Hackensack business owner who made a significant donation. Could you tell us a little bit about that partnership?
Absolutely. Mr. Sohm from Sohm Uniform called me one day and said, you know, what do you need? What do you need? What can I do for you? We're so pleased to what you're doing down there. And I said, well, you know, we could use, we need clothes. People come in from the street, they'll take a shower, but they need clean clothes to put on. And he donated, I think it was upwards of $7,000 worth of scrubs and uniforms that people could just comfortably put on, all different colors and sizes. And it's wonderful because we're using them every day, but it's also wonderful for me to see that the business district is also connecting with us, because this issue of homelessness affects all of us who live in the county, who work in the county. So it's just been wonderful to see people coming together. And I get many calls during the week, can I come down? And many of them are in real estate and other business owners. I had someone call the other day from a delicatessen. We'd like to donate something on Christmas. We just received a large shipment of coats. It's just amazing how people really do want to help and are reaching out.
Yeah.
And now this is a center for men and women, and it's separate as well.
Yes.
It's by floor, actually, right, in terms of...
Correct. The upstairs area is male and female. We have 62 people upstairs. One side is male, one side is female. And then downstairs in the overflow area, that is a co-ed area, but we do actually keep them kind of on one side and another side. As best we can.
All right. Well, thank you, Julia Orlando, the Director of Bergen County Housing, Health, and Human Services, for joining us on Inside Bergen. And we'll be back with much more, so stay with us.
Thank you.
Ever think about who will answer your 911 call in a medical emergency? Many times, the people who respond are no strangers. They're your neighbors, friends, relatives, and coworkers. They're dedicated to helping people. They respond at all hours, in all kinds of weather, and are trained to handle any emergency.
They're also volunteers. They could be you.
To find out how you can join the thousands of other EMS volunteers, contact the Bergen County Law and Public Safety Institute. If you don't, who will?